At Atlas Manufacturing, precision isn't just a promise, it's how we build. With over 60 years of experience in precision sheet metal fabrication, we specialize in high-performance enclosures, server racks, and complex assemblies for the world's most innovative companies. From our US-based facilities in Minneapolis and Chippewa Falls, we deliver speed, quality, and scalability. Our vertically integrated process includes in-house powder coating, automated forming, welding, and value-added assembly, all under one roof. Whether it's 5 or 5,000 units a month, we're built to deliver. Atlas Manufacturing, built to perform, ready to scale.